Namaste. My name is Fanni, I'm from Hungary, and I have just completed the 200 hours yoga teacher training course here in Rishikesh in Vinyasa Yogashala. And I am full of gratitude to be here and having my certificate in my hand. This last 25 days wasn't always easy. There were challenging and difficult times. There were days when I felt everything hurt, when I felt a little bit unmotivated. However, our teachers were all really great, and they still have an ability to motivate us throughout those hard times. And also the knowledge what we earned from them, it was that endless, that it was always really inspiring every day to wake up and go to the classes. Vinyasa Yogashala is, I believe, the best yoga school in Rishikesh. They have great teachers, they have great accommodation, they have great food, great vegetarian food. And I am looking forward to come back maybe in the future to complete the 300 hours yoga teacher training course. And I got really inspired towards to continue my path in a way of yoga. Thank you very much. Namaste.